you swallowing them whole? You're eating them so fast, are they even touching your tongue?
Yeah. You taking two?
Yeah, but one of them is for Toby.
Yeah. Why don't you send that to him in Costa Rica?
I'm just gonna hand it to him right now.
Okay, weirdo.
Why is that weird?
She said she's gonna give it to him right now.
She's probably going to, because they sit next to each other. Yeah, they used to. Toby works here again.
Oh, can you imagine?
You should probably just meander back there. Take a look, see if he's back.
Dare I? Great practical joke, Jim. You got me go to the annex. No, God! No, God, please, no! 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 No!